Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today I am here with a new video on how you can credit card login into the Citi Bank. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. You just need to click here and type Citi Bank, and when you have successfully written Citi Bank, then you just have to press enter in your keyboard. After pressing enter on the keyboard, this will be the search result that is shown to you, and in the first search result there is the official website of Citi Bank. So you just have to click here and it will show you the website of the Citi Bank. So on the right corner or the right side there is the user ID, password and sign on option. So you just have to enter your user ID. After that you have to enter your password and you can sign in successfully. Most people get confused in the part that their online banking account and their credit card account are the same. They both are same, so don't get confused. So when you have successfully logged in into your account or your online banking account, then there will be a credit card section in the Citi Bank. Right here there is a credit card section. So here you can do anything related with the credit card. You can apply for the credit card, you can activate the credit card, and all the features and services provided by the bank to you. So this is how you can easily credit card login into the Citi Bank. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.